میرے خیال سبھی کو خیریت سے ہوں گے. آپ کا ویلکم میری نئی ویڈیو میں. آج کی ویڈیو ہم ریئل ورسز چاکلیٹ فوڈ چیلنج کا آج کا چیلنج کا نام ہے. چلیں دوستوں پھر آج کے چیلنج سٹارٹ کرنے سے پہلے میں کہوں گی کہ میری ویڈیو کو لائک کر دیں, کمنٹ کر دیں اور شیئر کر دیں. تو آج کا چیلنج ہم سٹارٹ کریں گے, ٹھیک ہے؟ تو چلو چیلنج سٹارٹ کرتے ہیں. یہ تو چاکلیٹ بن چکی ہے. چلو انہیں دیکھتے ہیں یہ کیا ہے. ہاں یہ کیا ہوا؟ سوچنا پڑے گا کچھ. یہ ہم کہاں آ چکے ہیں؟ چیلنج. ہائے دوستو. ہاں تو چیلنج سٹارٹ کرتے ہیں. چلو میں دیکھتا ہوں میری پلیٹ میں کیا ہے. چاکلیٹ ریبٹ. واو چاکلیٹ ریبٹ. واو کتنا کیوٹ ہے یہ. ایک سیکنڈ مجھے بھی تھوڑا سا دے دو. نہیں تم کھا نہیں سکتی, یہ میرا ہے. ٹھیک ہے یہ تمہارا ہی صحیح. مزیدار یہ چاکلیٹ ہے, مجھے بھی چاہیے. یہ بہت سخت ہے اور مزیدار بھی. یہ بہت مزیدار بھی ہے. مجھے بھی دو. نہیں میں نہیں دوں گا. یمی مزیدار. تو میں نے دیکھو ساری کھا لی کیونکہ مجھے بہت اچھی لگتی ہے چاکلیٹ. آئیڈیا آیا ہے مجھے. یس. یہ کیا ہے؟
Free, Susie! More stupid jokes, Zach! This isn't funny! Take a look! Okay, fine, I get it. It's time for me to find out what's under my lid. Wow, a real rabbit! Wow! I didn't expect this! How cute!
Oh my!
I just want to pet it! Zach, get your hands off. This is my rabbit. I just wanted to touch it. I have a great idea. Wow, a top hat. Interesting. I'll use it to show you a trick. I'll need to take the rabbit for that. I'll send him straight into the top hat. Come on, sit down, little buddy. And just like that, voila. No more rabbit. Wow, that's magic. Okay, that's enough. Give me my rabbit back. You're giving me quite a big task. First I gotta look for him. An umbrella doesn't seem like the right thing. What do we have here? Colorful flags. Why do you have so much junk? Sorry, this is what magicians need. Let me keep looking, just give me some more time. Oh, I found something. Got it. Oh my! Finally, come here baby, I missed you. You see, you shouldn't have been worried. I love rocking on chairs. Careful, Zach. You don't want to fall. Oh, look! What's this? I have a chocolate basketball. And I have a regular one. So much chocolate. This ball's quite heavy and it smells delicious. So what do I do with this real ball? I think I've come up with something. I can play basketball. I just need to change my clothes. Admit it, I look really good in this uniform. I'm a great ball player, look. Wow, Susie, even I'm surprised. Now I'll show you something. Let me throw it. Oh no, I missed. Oh, my head. Zach, how are you? What have I done? Oh, what a nightmare. Oh, what do I see? That's the chocolate basketball. Now it's mine. Someone say something about the chocolate basketball? Susie, you stop right there. I won't give it to you. What have you done? Look, the ball almost made it into the basket. Susie, we did it. Let's hug. Now I'll take it for myself. Oh, my shoelaces are untied. I'm falling. Help. Oh, no. The ball's right under me. It looks like I broke it. What a bad landing. Yeah. Oh, well. The main thing is that I'm fine. And by the way, eating this ball is a lot easier now. What are you doing, Susie? That's my chocolate. I'm gonna have nothing left. I'm gonna cry. Oh, there's more chocolate on my t-shirt. Well, I need to eat it. I wonder what's under these this time. What if we swap them? Zach, I'm getting dizzy. Stop it. Okay, whatever you say. I have a real hot dog. And I have a chocolate hot dog. That's much cooler. No, not that. It's spicy Tabasco. And I have chocolate sauce. Perfect. I'm sure this will be the perfect compliment to my sweet hot dog. I see you're not as lucky as me. Be strong. Come on, Zach. Get started. I was gonna let you go first. Well, whatever. Better get this over with. I don't like spicy food. I'll drop just a little bit, so I don't feel the Tabasco. Zach, this isn't serious. Let me help you out. We need to add more. Stop, Susie. It's enough. Don't do that. Calm down, Zach. It's just a game. Here, you need to try it. Help yourself. What have you done? How am I going to eat this? Looks like I'll have to help you. Please don't. See, I'm already eating. Strange. What? Nothing's happening. Well, this is great. I'm pretty happy. I can safely eat this whole hot dog. I don't understand. That was very delicious. And I'm all right, Susie. I shouldn't have been afraid. Or maybe not. It's getting hot in here. I'm burning. Turn around, Zach. Ah, how hot. I can't control it. Whew, it's all over now. You made my hands burn. You were the one who made me eat it. I hope this sweet hot dog will bring me to my senses. It looks very appetizing. Oh, I almost forgot about the sauce. I really need to add it. The main thing is to pour a lot. I'm sure it'll taste even better this way. That's what I want. A chocolate hot dog. I have to try it. Who's there? What? Take a closer look, Susie. In the meantime, I'll take your chocolate sausage. Oh, I did it! Wow! I don't understand. There was no one there. Well, it's time for me to eat. It's a little tough, but it's delicious. But there's something missing. Where's my sausage? Someone stole it.
No!
Something happened, Susie. I didn't see anything. I'm sure you're hiding something from me. I'll get it out of you. Stop, Susie, stop it! I'll tell you everything. You have to, Zach. I guessed for myself. But this chocolate sauce is pretty tasty. Zach, I think this is weird. Do you understand anything? No, I think we should take a closer look. I think these are fire extinguishers, and they smell weird. I think it's edible. I'll check it out now. The hose broke off. I was right. Wow, that's great. I'm gonna try my own fire extinguisher. I can't take a bite. Turns out this is real. Oh, that hurts. Well, I'm out of a lunch. Maybe there's something delicious inside. What a tight handle. I need to push. Whoa, foam! I can't see anything. Zach, what's going on over there? You're all a mess. I think I removed all the foam. But no, there's still some left on my nose. I think it's best to turn the fire extinguisher in the other direction and move it away. I'm gonna move mine closer. It's time to eat. Oh, so delicious. There's no stopping me now. I'm gonna starve to death. Don't be so dramatic, Zach. But I want to try it too. Some other time. It's time to get rid of this completely. Ooh, that's not so easy. My teeth are slipping. It's not working. Need to think of something. I have an idea. I'll cut it with this axe. Be careful, Susie. Everything's under control. Don't worry, Zach. I almost got it. It's enough. Stop it. Okay. I'm done here. Finally, I can eat in peace. Wow, that's a lot of chocolate. Yeah, huge chunks. I was lucky. I wouldn't jump to conclusions, Susie. I have a gun. Uh-oh. Zach, put that hose down now. Oh, I don't think think so. This is war. Take that. Did you hear something, Monica? A strange sound. What? Sorry, that was an accident. I have to go. What was that? What? Chocolate. I finally got it. Hey, Zach, did you miss me? Give that to me. This is mine. Well, there's just one piece left. You traitor. I hope there's something good here. Well, let's find out. Oh no, this stinks. I really hate this kind of cheese. Not the same. Hey, you really didn't look out at all. I don't think mine smells. Well, mine does. To high heaven. What a nightmare. I can't handle that. That's a lot better. What about me? I need that more than you, Jess. That's what you think, but it's mine. I've got a lovely piece of non-stinky cheese. I really hope that means that it's really tasty, too. The aroma is pretty pleasant. I love it. Hey, you! If that's the case, can I have a bite? Please? Here, go for it. And psych! Not for you. That was so cruel. Not in the least, it was just a joke. And I think it was a pretty funny one, too. By the way, I'm all done, so eat up. No, the smell alone is going to kill me. I'll try and simply hold my breath. It's not helping. The stench is taking over. Ooh, gross. No, no more. Yes, more. You have to. Bon appetit, my friend. But I don't wanna. Maybe some strawberry syrup will help? It could possibly cover up the taste altogether. What? That's not fair. You're bending the goals too much. Ooh, the smell is less already. Here's hoping I only taste strawberries. Nope, that's still revolting. That's what you get. Eat your fill, Missy. Ugh, I'm so over you. Getting revenge. Please be something good. Let's find out. No. Wait. They're so big. That means there's no way they're real. And not only are they fake, they're super, super good. Yes, mine is made of chocolate. It's ginormous. Jess, would you look at this? I can't wait anymore. Time to eat. It's amazing. So much chocolate. Cool. I want to try it too. No, it's mine. I just wanted a tiny little taste. I said no. Fine, whatever. I've got my own. Yum. But it's not chocolate. How can I get my hands on some? Ooh, I think I'm falling. Hey, that turned out to be pretty easy. Looks like this chocolate is mine to enjoy. Yay! Hi there. Uh-oh. Taking me out was a big mistake, because now I'm back. I don't want to. You shouldn't mess with me. This is my eye. What do we have? Freeze! Me first. A shoe? What do I need this for? I've got my own? Maybe it's edible. Ew. No, that's definitely not food. Gross. You have fun with your pump, Jess. Laugh it up. You still don't know what you have. I'm about to find out. Ooh, it's really good. My heel is both beautiful and delicious. I want one like that. Of course you do. It's fantastic, and it comes with Skittles on it too. Share a piece with me? As if. Just a bite. I already made myself clear. I'll just take the stiletto heel. No, cut it out. Ugh. So greedy. Pretty please. I'm real sick of saying no. Then take this. Sharing is caring, my friend. But if I can't have any, neither can you. Oh! Have you lost your mind? Ooh, I got a little bit of chocolate on this useless shoe. And it is delicious. I'm left with nothing at all. Thanks a lot, Jess. Drumroll, please. And open. A soccer ball. They got the same, but a little smaller and in a different color. It's soft. Ooh, yum. It's chocolate. Now that ball I'd take. Too bad it's mine. I can play around with it and have a snack too. Well, I might have thrown it up too high. Oh man, I shattered it. Well, I'll take some of the pieces. Who said you could do that? They're mine. It's so tasty, and I'm not one for sharing desserts. Ugh, figures. So what do I do with this? I think it could be a great tool, actually.
चॉकलेट बहुत मज़ेदार लग रही है। हाँ, मारना बंद करो, मुझे चॉकलेट खाने दो। अभी देखना मैं इसको फुटबॉल कैसे बनाती हूँ। ये लो। हाँ, अच्छा हुआ चॉकलेट। चलो मैं इस चॉकलेट को खा लेती हूँ। मज़ेदार, बहुत टेस्टी है ये जो चॉकलेट। मेरा सर क्यों घूम रहा है? मेरी सारी चॉकलेट। सॉरी, प्लीज जाओ, वापस गिर जाओ। क्या कर सकते हैं। चलो अगला चैनल देखते हैं। हमारे चैनल में क्या है। बहुत मज़ा। चलो मैं ट्राई करके देखूँ। वाओ, कैट चॉकलेट, यम्मी। बहुत शानदार लग रही है देखने में। ये चॉकलेट है। चलो मैं ट्राई करके देखती हूँ। अपनी कैट है, सो क्यूट। बहुत अच्छी लग रही है। नहीं, ये मेरी कैट है। चलो ठीक है, मैं तो अपनी चॉकलेट खा रही हूँ। मिल्क। चलो मैं इसको फिर मैं डाल के दूँगी। ये लो, कितने मज़े से खा रही है। सो स्वीट। चलो मैं ग्लास में डाल दूँगी। यस, ग्लास में मैं इसको मिल्क में ऐड करूँगी। और अब मैं चॉकलेट खाऊँगी। चॉकलेट। ये लो। ये लो। अब मैं इसको खाना स्टार्ट करूँगी। यम्मी, बहुत मज़ेदार। ये मुझे भी दोगी क्या? नहीं, मैं नहीं दूँगी तुम्हें। अब देखो मैं इसमें मिल्क ऐड करूँगी। यस, यम्मी, बहुत टेस्टी है। यम्मी, मुझे भी चाहिए। आइडिया। यस, अब मैं इसको ताज पहनाऊंगी। ये पागल है लगता है। हाँ, चलो दोस्तों, फिर आपसे अगली वीडियो में मुलाकात होगी। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़। मेरी वीडियो को कमेंट करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें। ठीक है, तो तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़। और अगले चैनल में एक मुलाकात होगी। ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़।